2025 Vogue DS625X Review. A budget adventure bike that's loaded with features. Vogue might be a new name to some riders, but this Chinese brand, created in 2018 by manufacturing giant Lanson, has been quietly making waves in Europe. After models like the Rally 300 and DS900X, they've now filled the gap in the middle with the new Vogue DS625X, a 581 cubic centimeters adventure bike that packs serious value for money. At 6,199 pounds on the road, this bike could easily be the bargain of the year. It's got the looks, tech, and performance of bikes that cost thousands more. With 63 brake horsepower, a big bike stance, and tons of built-in gear, it's aiming squarely at mainstream middleweight adventure bikes like the Suzuki V-Strom 650 and Honda NX500, but undercuts them by a hefty margin. Design and comfort. Despite being called a middleweight, the DS625X feels big. It's got wide bodywork, a two-position adjustable screen, and a seat height of 835 mm. The riding position feels natural, though taller riders might find legroom a bit tight. Once you're rolling, it feels balanced and confident, especially at low speeds, thanks to a super light clutch action. Engine and performance. Under the tank, you get Vogue's all-new 581 cubic centimeters parallel twin, putting out 63 brake horsepower and 42 lb-ft of torque. It revs happily and sounds like a mini V-twin, thanks to a 270 degrees crank. It's smooth, eager, and fun in the mid to high revs, though it lacks a bit of punch at the bottom. Strangely, it only runs on E5 Super Unleaded, which is slightly inconvenient. You get two riding modes, Eco and Sport, but the difference is subtle. Eco softens throttle response a bit, while Sport gives you a livelier feel. The traction control system is a nice touch for this price range, though it can kick in a little too aggressively during spirited riding. Handling and ride. Vogue didn't cut corners with components. You'll find KYB fully adjustable suspension, Nissan brakes, and Metzeler Tourance tires on tubeless spoked wheels, 19-inch front, 17 rear. The ride quality leans on the firm side, and the front brakes could use more bite, but overall it's composed, easy to handle, and stable through twisty roads. Features galore. Here's where the DS625X really shines. It's absolutely loaded with kit that rivals often sell as expensive add-ons. You get crash bars, bash plate, handguards, and rear rack. LED fog lights and center stand. Tire pressure monitors and backlit switchgear. 7-inch TFT display. 1080p built-in front dashcam. 12V socket and USB port. That's a massive list for a sub-6200 bike. No quick shifter or cruise control, but Vogue promises optional heated grips and seats soon. You can even add a full 3-piece aluminum luggage set for £699. Ownership and reliability. Vogue bikes are still fairly new, so long-term reliability is a question mark. That said, Lanson, the parent company, builds engines for BMW, which gives some peace of mind. The DS625X also comes with a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty and 26,000-mile valve check intervals, which is REES. Service intervals are every 3,750 miles, and there are already 60 Vogue dealers across the UK via importer MotoGB, so support shouldn't be an issue. Final thoughts. The Vogue DS625X might just be the best value adventure bike on sale right now. Sure, the brakes and ergonomics need a little polish, and it's not the most exciting engine at low revs. But you're getting a stylish, well-built, feature-rich, and surprisingly refined adventure bike for an unbeatable price. If you're shopping for a mid-size ADV and want big bike feel without big brand prices, the DS625X absolutely deserves a test ride. Price: £6,199 OTR. Power: 63 brake horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute. Torque: 42 lb-ft at 6,500 revolutions per minute. Weight: 220 kgs. Rivals: Honda NX500, Suzuki V-Strom 650, Moto Morini X-Cape 650, CF Moto 700 metric tons.